Need to add someone to your Microsoft Teams team. In this guide, I'll show you how to add members, invite people using their name or email address, manage their role, and handle a few common access issues. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the Teams section. Find the team where you want to add someone, then open the More Options menu next to the team name. From the menu, choose Manage Team or the option for managing members. This opens the Team Management area, where you can view existing members, owners, and available roles. Next, select Add Member. Teams will open a field where you can search for people by name or enter their email address. Choose the correct person from the results. You can usually add more than one person at a time. Search for each person, select their account, and add them to the list before continuing. Double-check the names before you confirm. Depending on your permissions, you may be able to choose whether someone joins as a member or an owner. Members can participate in the team, while owners have additional management permissions. Only assign owner access when it's actually needed. Once you've selected the people and reviewed their roles, confirm the addition. Teams will add them to the team, and they may receive a notification or invitation depending on your organization's settings. Keep in mind that team membership and channel membership can be different. Private or shared channels may require you to add people separately. Open the channel's More Options menu and use its member management options when available. If you need to change access later, return to Manage Team and review the member list. Depending on your permissions, you may be able to change a role or remove someone from the team. Yeah, it's a good idea to review access regularly, and that's how to add members to Microsoft Teams. Open your team, manage the members, select Add Member, choose the right people and roles, then confirm. So once they're added, they can start collaborating with your team.